This is the elevator at the office complex, Building A, or 2477A, Stickney Point Road in Sarasota, Florida. It's a glass elevator. Kind of a rough start there. Whoa, pretty quick leveling. While we're up here, let's just get a look at this cab. It's an orange cab. Here's your inspection certificate. Here's your phone, actually. And this is a Florida elevator, as you see. There. These are GAL Jet Plus fixtures. Let's go one. Let's watch these. Whoa. This was modernized at some point because there's an old call station here. I'm guessing this might have been a general because this place was built in 1982. But anyway, that'll be it.